How you doing, everybody? Matt here with American Campfire Creations, and tonight I wanted to make a little video showing you our second Harvest Host stayover in Arnoldville, Louisiana. It's actually at a brewery, and it's called Bayou Teche Brewing, and it's a great place. As you can see here, they got this nice big parking lot and plenty of space for our big rig here, and they've been super amazing, really nice people. We actually were able to stay 2 nights here because they said that there was plenty of room for us and that it wouldn't cause any problems with our RV being here in their parking lot. So I kind of just wanted to show you all another Harvest Host. I made another video of our first stayover at a vineyard, which was also great. But you know, this one was awesome because they have a really good restaurant with all the options you could possibly want. Their beer is awesome. From what I saw in there, they had at least 30 different beers on tap. So this is another location that I'll put the information down in the description below so that if you want to check it out, and also a link to Harvest Hosts for 15% off their membership. So if you want to try and check that out so you can come out and do these free stayovers, by means, jump on that. So yeah, like I said, I'm not going to do any videoing inside because they're actually closed on Mondays and Tuesdays. But I wanted to go ahead and just sort of show you the outside area where you would be keeping your rig if you were staying here. And I'll add some pictures at the end of the video of inside that we actually got to see yesterday because it was Sunday. But yeah, as you can see, awesome place. They're letting us stay here for free. We just went in, we did a tasting. It was like $12 for a tasting. Food here is pretty decently priced. They have a water hookup for us to be able to put water in the trailer, but we're pretty self-sufficient with our RV, so we have, you know, the generator and 90 gallons of fresh water and all that stuff, so we really don't need any hookups. But yeah, just wanted to make this quick video. And we're going to be heading off to New Orleans on our next stop. So I'll be doing some cooking videos down there and probably show you around Bourbon Street or whatever down there. But yeah, Bayou Teche Brewing, Harvest Host stayover. So far, we're loving the membership. So like I said, check out the link down in the description below so you could sign up for this membership and get 15% off. So yeah, as always, we'll see you around the next campfire or on our next adventure. So have a good night, everybody. Be easy.